Right then, I thought I'd make this quick video with my stuff off the toolbox to show off my toolbox. So my toolbox it's my average toolbox actually. So yeah, just sort of random bits in here. We've got there's a lanyard, spirit level, little hammer, knife, electrical tape, another spirit level. That's one of them special ones that you can hang on wires, and you can get the line from it hang it on a line. Got another knife in there, more electrical tape. You know, random little bits and bobs. Usually there's a hammer that goes in here like that, and a load of other stuff. But it's all out at the moment because I've been using it. I'm working on. Don't know if you can see. There's a slight red frame off at the top of the screen here, but I'll save that for another video, which I'll be probably posting on later on in the week. Progress on the red frame. And of course it's got a lovely magnetic tray at the top here, so it's actually just got a collection of some bolts and Allen keys that I need to find a home for, or to use it, or to build another toolkit or something. But yeah, that's that. So yes, anyway, if you're interested in none of these stickers, but perhaps this one here, if you're interested in that sticker, then you can, there'll be a link below, and you can get one if you so wish. But don't bother, if you want to save your money, that's fine. See me in person, I'm sure I'll have some on me. Whenever we do any of these YouTuber meets or anything like that, I will have, or even just have any in my pocket, just ready and waiting. And if you see me somewhere, then just ask me, got any stickers on you? I hopefully should have some. Anyway, that's it, just a quick video to say I have stickers. I have merch. Coming soon will be t-shirts, hoodies, gift cards, pregnancy tests, you know, all under the big Pezza brand. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.